What is up, you guys? Today we are at the Bremerton airshow to watch it, and we're gonna see a lot of cool planes, you guys. If you guys like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. But we're gonna get started seeing all the planes. Guys, so we just arrived, and we're gonna head down there, and we have to take a shuttle to get over to the airport. So yeah, I'll see you guys wherever we go next. Alright guys, we got some supplies. Now we're gonna walk down there. So I'm gonna time lapse this, you guys.
Oh, nitrogen monoxide meltdown.
Guys, it's the dude! Alright guys, time to hop on the shuttle. Time to hop on the bus, guys. No. Let's hop on the shuttle, guys. Right, here's our seat. We can go now and make our way over to the airport. Over there where all the action is happening. Here we go. I'd love to get buzzed by that B-17. Oh, we're going over there. Woo! One way. I don't know where the B-17 went, guys. We're making our way over, though.
Sucker flies over your house.
Turning. Alright, I'll see you guys once we get there. Actually on the taxiway. Check this out. Oh, we're turning. Oh yes, I'll see the planes now. Alright guys, we made it. I'm gonna put this chair on my back again. I'm gonna walk over here. So we're walking, but I will see you guys once we get over there, because I'm sure this will be boring. Look at all the P-51s over
So many.
there. Those are all P-51s, dude. That was a cool stop to get a medicine kit. First aid kit. Fuel truck. Titan. Good.
Never.
Look at all these P-51s, dude. Here's some army vehicles. Look at these old boxes. Here it comes. Thinking again. There you go. So can we walk up to this Mustang? Woo! Dude, look at all of these Mustangs. These P-51 Mustangs. Dang, I'm coming right up to the Mustang.
That's a good shot right here.
Look at this. This is the classic.
This is what it would have looked like in combat, buddy.
This is the classic one.
It would have been all shiny like this.
There we are. Look at this one. Woo! Look at
This is
these.
where the cannons would have, the muzzle for the guns would have
Look
come.
how huge these wheels are.
So he had 3 here and 3 on the other side.
Goes up to my knee.
Yeah. Look on the art.
Red Dog XII.
There's Germany.
I'm crazy. I like this one. This one's cool.
They painted them up.
This one's cool, actually. Look how.
They used them to race.
I love how this one has silver blades.
So this plane is a warplane. I don't know where he
Look how low these flaps go.
can.
This,
Oh, look at these Mustangs, dude.
Look at these Mustangs! This one's cool.
They don't look like much, but they're cool.
Oh, the gun. Look at this. Oh no. Boop.
You see, this plane would have been one time. There's a bunch of another army were attacking the place.
So close.
Here's somebody here.
So close, dude. Whatever this is, it's cool. The blue shark plane. Shark. No, don't eat me. The T-6. Look at the massive engine. Oh.
Look at this air intake.
Woo.
Has to
how
suck
big
so
this
much
is.
air that it's got these big old
Big
air
it
intakes.
is. So big. Oh, the huge light. It says, oh, it's a NASA plane. Interesting. Look at this guy. Oh, there's a B-17, guys. It's filled with stuff. An emergency break glass. Well, I'm not gonna break it. Just kidding. Oh, B-17 from here. Woo! Oh, guys, look at this biplane. Yeah. Woo! That's cool.
What's this?
B-17. There it is.
You hear it?
There it is. That was such a quick stop.
Big bird, right? Stop.
Look how slow he's going. Woo! Look how slow he's already going.
I can't see him come down the taxi runway here. Here he comes, guys. I'm coming down.
Fun!
Fast pass.
Yeah, baby! Woo! Burning fuel as he does it. Donald Duck all plane?
Imagine, guys, the sound of like 50 or 100 would be like.
Here comes. Here comes the beast. Darn it, I can't see. Woo! Yeah, baby.
Like I said, just imagine he comes back and he's got a couple of guys inside.
Maybe played
They saw him up close.
weird. Oh, that was awesome, man. Everybody's going over there. Oh, you can.
Where people are sitting along the fence here.
Oh, that's a P-51, ain't it? There it is.
Yeah, there it is.
Out there. Here it comes. What's that the noise of? Woo-hoo! Look at that beast. Alright guys, well we found a spot over there by the B-17 and now we're gonna go check out some things. Alright guys, we're gonna go check out some things like, you know, spots, stuff like that. We're gonna go check out those. Hello.
We'd love to share our Go Army.
Whoa, these candles look nice.
Yeah. And check out.
They smell nice too. Ooh, look at these models. This is a B2. This is, I think, an F-14. Blue Angel. Oh, they got a P-51.
The 45 is the
Blue Angels.
Propeller test. Oh, wait. Thunderbirds. I know, those are US. Well, that's cool. What's this rating?
Hi guys.
Alright, come
Look at you can get them. Yeah.
Thank you. There we go.
Put that together.
Another buildable.
How are we going now?
You think it's shot in front of
Oh, that's crazy. Look how cute. Look how cute he is.
4 years in as a
Oh, here's the U.S. Air Force one. You can play cornhole to get a prize, I think.
Is it a lot of like legal loopholes? Your hands are.
That helicopter down there. Oh, peninsula. Oh,
It's unheard of. That's a pretty good grade.
could I get one of these?
Sure. That's great.
Academy Air Force. Civil Air Patrol. That's really cool. Under it. Oh, it's a club. It's a Harper Club. I don't know. And touch it. And touch the plane. Anyways, we're gonna head in here, so I'll see you guys once we get in. Whoa. The emergency door's open.
So if anything
So
happens,
right the seats, that's the back. Oh, you can sit back there, Abby.
use it to still be able to breathe.
Oh man,
Actually, pretty good.
I want to
They're
fly
pretty close.
so
I flew
bad.
P8 when I was.
Alright, so this is the cockpit. You got the yoke here. So many. This is the tram. And I'm not sure what that button is, but that's the yoke. This is a throttle, I believe.
Yep. Hey, how's it going? There's an empty seat up here if you want to sit down.
This is reverse. I'm not
Sit in
sure.
front? Yeah, go for it.
This is mixture or something. Not sure what these do, but it's pretty good. There's a lot of switches in here.
Is it more or is
That's a window you can open and close.
There's like an optional third seat we can add.
Here we are, and that's the co-pilot.
It's
There are
training,
rudder
so really
pedals.
it's usually just the instructor.
These are the rudder pedals and the brakes.
90% of the time, the seat's
Somewhere here
empty, and
is
this like
the
second student
brake.
waiting for his turn. But
It's pretty cool in here, guys.
yeah, this one's super
And I'm
old.
not sure
We're getting
what
brand new
this
ones
is,
actually.
but
It looks
Aaron's out
pretty
there.
well, doesn't it?
Yeah. That was cool. We're gonna head out. Thank you. The Civil Air Patrol Cessna 182. That's cool. Yeah, we're just kind of relaxing. These two things. Yes, sir.
And then next.
Try lifting this up so much, dude. So heavy. We're heading up to the Apache. I'm gonna get close.
We have our own.
Look at this. Dude.
Rananananaya.
Oh, those blades are so long. That green plane in the hangar. It's all green. Those are some cool planes here. Look at this. Green plane. This guy's on the green plane. On this green plane.
Yeah.
Well, this is pretty cool. I don't know which kid's kind of gonna relax now, guys. Sorry. Thank you. An airplane. There you go, guys. I put on the sticker. Alright, we're gonna just relax now, you guys. I think I'll see you guys when it's time for the show. There we go, let's see it. Oh, they're coming this way!
Deja vu, I just been in space before.
They just drifted the plane! They just drifted the helicopter! Alright, you guys. Well, we made it back to our spot and we got some food, so it's about to start. So we got like 10 more minutes until it starts, I think. So yeah, I'm gonna eat some food and then I'll see you guys when the show starts. I don't know if you guys can see too well, but on Aaron's phone there's a C-17 here flying around. So maybe the C-17 won't be for the C-17 demo team, guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys when the show starts. Okay, guys, I'm gonna head over to the fence because we're about to start. So I'll see you guys all the. So yeah, here we go, guys. I'm excited.
we will declare the 2025 Bremerton. Hello everyone, my name is Ken Hildebrand, airshow announcer based in
Mustang
Abbotsford,
Mania.
British Columbia, Canada, and it is a delight to be with you here this afternoon to tell you all about the great flying action we've got in store for you today. Let me run down the list of what we can expect. We're looking forward to kicking off the air show with your United States Coast Guard Dolphin helicopter search and rescue demonstration. If you have been looking off to the south, you will have seen the Great Big Moose, otherwise known as the C-17 Globemaster III. Lee Oman is here flying two very different airplanes, but of the same era, the T-6 as well as the Stearman. We're also looking forward to seeing John Blaze.
This is gonna be awesome, you guys.
Off of a
Here we go.
SF-260. We've got not one, not two, but three Trojans that are going to be flying in our show. The Erickson collection is here. Bremerton, that's
Alright guys, first is the Dolphin Coast Guard helicopter.
Jim Gibson, who's talking with the Dolphin helicopter right now.
First point is the Dolphin helicopter. There is a Dolphin Coast Guard helicopter, guys. Here we go.
Coming out to the Commandant of the United States Coast Guard, Admiral. The Dolphin's crew of four consists of a pilot, a co-pilot, flight mechanic, and a rescue swimmer. While the pilot or co-pilot flies the helicopter into a hover near the survivor, the flight mechanic will deploy the rescue swimmer by lowering him. There's howling winds. You're over the ocean. There's huge swells of water and waves. Well, that's more like the types of conditions your United States Coast Guard are.
Oh my god, this sounds so good.
To the hoist. And in just a few moments, you're going to see him dangling from that hoist and very carefully, slowly being lowered down to the ground. Folks, give him a wave. He can see you. Once the helicopter bring up not only the rescue swimmers, of course, but also those who are in need of assistance.
There it goes.
Port Angeles has three of these aircraft. Get this thing. 3,500 square miles area of responsibility. That includes 200 nautical miles of shoreline along the U.S.
Feel the jet wash, guys.
Coast Guard rescue crews stand a 24-hour, 365-day-a-year watch, manning ships, airplanes, based in Port Angeles, Washington. Coming in from our left, that's towards the north.
Before we move on, I just want to say that this next part is my favorite part of the show, so enjoy.
C-17!
While we're waiting for them, I'd like to give a shout out to Amelia's Hangar Restaurant and Lounge. Be sure to check out Amelia's 5
Here we go,
Bremerton
guys.
Air Show. And if you look at black speck, that is our C-17 inbound for their demonstration to all are based out of Joint Base Lewis McChord right here in your own backyard. This highly experienced crew. While the crew is maneuvering for their first pass at Show Center, I'd like to share some facts with you about this aircraft.
Here we go.
C-17 made its first flight in September of 1991. Since then, the aircraft has set over 30 world records, including payload to altitude, time to climb, and the longest airdrop mission in history. Folks, the United States Air Force C-17 Globemaster 3. In that pass, they were looking at 350 miles per hour. The new age design includes a modern slats and large powered lift wing flaps.
Yes, a slow
These
pass.
devices literally change the shape of the wing and are the key to its low final.
Ooh, I can feel that. Woo! Exactly.
Want to hear another fun fact of the C-17? I like to call them a KFF or a Ken fun fact. C-17 has an internal volume of 19,500 cubic feet. Now, folks, we're going to go live to the flight deck of the C-17. C-17, this is Ken Hildebrand, airshow announcer on the ground. I know that you have a very special message for someone here on the ground.
C-17, welcome, the family coming in from Georgia today.
Flying the pants off of the C-17 and wanted to say hello live from the cockpit of your C-17 from the United States Air Force. So here's another KFF for you. How many restrooms do you think are they're simulating for us arrival to a shortened airfield where hostile forces are present? This versatile tactic allows the C-7. Now the crew will demonstrate the very short landing distance. Guiding our C-17 crew backwards, making sure that they don't run into any obstacles that likely shouldn't be there on the right. So it might be just a couple of moments here while the C-17 crew does those checks and configure.
I've been trying to calm down.
Here we go, from the left, the takeoff of the United States Air Force C-17 Globemaster 3. Bremerton, we hope you've enjoyed today's performance. Please like and follow its role in training pilots to fly airplanes like the P-51 Mustang and onwards and upwards through the fighter aircraft and even bombers in World War II.
There goes the T6. Banking. This is gonna be.
At the controls of the T6 is Mr. Lee Oman. And if that name is forever young. He's just climbing for a little bit of altitude, and then he's going to put this T6 through its paces.
Whoa, that's cool.
A wide airbox.
Time for some aerobatic maneuvers,
Let's
guys.
enjoy Lee Oman in the T6.
Woo! Here it comes, quick. Woo! Little
beautifully executed Barnstormer's Loop, one of the first aerobatic maneuvers you'll learn when training for aerobatics. He's using this hammerhead-like maneuver to get the T6 turned around, lined up with the show line to set up for his next maneuver. He's going to use that dive to wind up the airspeed indicator because he needs lots of airspeed to perform this next maneuver, which is a very graceful, slow roll right there at show center.
Check that out.
It is fully aerobatic, powered by a 600 horsepower Pratt and Whitney, but in the hands of a talented performer like Lee Oman, you can do maneuvers like this. There's 1 to knife edge, 2 to upside down, 3 back to knife edge, and 4. The 4-point hesitation roll. It looks a lot easier than it actually is to fly. You're using all the control surfaces of the aircraft, including the ailerons and the
Holy cow, dude.
rudder, as well as minus fuel, minus oil. It's a big, heavy airplane to be throwing through the sky like you see Lee doing for us this afternoon. Over the top, floating there in the straps. It's going to stop there on the 45-degree downline.
Can you get really low?
Perform for us what's called the half Cuban 8. Back up. Likes to keep us announcers guessing as he flies through some of these maneuvers. If you had a smoke system, folks, you'd see a great big figure 8 lying on its side there at show center. And now a beautiful victory roll there by Lee Oman.
Smells so good.
The T6.
Over he comes again.
The T6 was the main trainer for fighter and bomber pilots in World War II for the Army Air Corps, the United States Navy, and of course the Harvard was used for Britain, Canada, and Australia. Nicknamed the Texan early on because the majority were built at the North American factory in Grand Prairie, Texas. Calls that the 2-point roll. And from the south, lots of airspeed on that airspeed indicator now. As he pulls back on the stick, feeling 2, 3, 4 G's as he arcs up into the sky. I think he's going to do for us another G's, just pushing him into the seat of the cockpit of that beautiful T6 Texan.
That's awesome.
And this time from the left, arching up into the sky, rolling into the knife edge, using all 600 horsepower as he flies the knife edge across center stage. Right there in that maneuver, it's actually the fuselage itself that's producing the lift when it's on the ground, kind of like pushing a shopping cart with a bad wheel backwards down the grocery aisle. You stay on the controls the entire time. You see Lee off to our right side slipping into the wind before lining the airplane and the nose up with the center line of the runway and very gently setting the T6 down after an incredible performance here this afternoon.
Here comes our T6. Here we go.
Demonstrate that they could do it safely, and over time they'll bring it lower and lower to the ground. All right, the smoke is on, indicating to us that John is ready for his performance. Please enjoy the Marchetti SF260.
Woo! There he goes.
Smoke system, of course, an aftermarket modification. Performing for us a great big Barnstormer's Loop. This airplane likes to fly very, very fast, as you can see. but it's also highly aerobatic as well. He's ready for his next maneuver. He's looking for 170 knots on this maneuver. Count with me. The 4-point roll. There's 1 to knife edge, 2 to inverted, 3 back to knife edge, and 4. The 4-point hesitation roll by John. John is doing that for us. All right, you saw the loop. Here's another loop called the avalanche. It's the same Barnstormers loop with a little extra fun thrown in at the top.
Oh, we leveled up. Oh, we did a barrel. Make a heart.
From the right,
Roll.
a series of aileron rolls by John Blaze. Again, that smoke system allowing us to follow his maneuvers through the sky. A beautiful blue over the Bremerton National Airport.
Oh.
It's going to stop it right there on the 45-degree down line. Roll the airplane upright. He's going to pick up a lot of airspeed as he does so. There's the recovery at 800 feet above the right altitude. He's got to look at that very, very carefully. Rolls the airplane onto its back, pulls back on the stick, and the Marchetti starts to rush back down towards the ground. And you can kind of see it up there, folks. Great big figure 8 lying on its side. At show center, a series again of aileron roll by side for the students. There's actually a jump seat in the back of the aircraft as well. You can carry up to 250 pounds in that jump seat, either passengers or cargo, making this airplane a very versatile aircraft.
Down.
That nice cough and burp tells me that the B-17 is starting up.
Holy cow, dude!
John Blaze and the Marchetti.
Go back, second. Holy cow, dude! Look at that smoke!
Oh, the making smoke.
Oh no, this one! Oh no!
We had to secure the announcer station up here as we taxied out the B-7. And very gently sets the airplane back on the ground. Let's have a big round of applause.
Here we go!
Down
the loose trail formation.
Along a line in trail.
Oh, there they go, they're banking.
With the T-28 in the early 1960s, they acquired more aircraft during the 70s and 80s. The Philippines also used the T-28, colloquially known as the Tora-Toras, passed by our Trojan flight. This time from our right, this will be the overhead brake to set up for landing. Well, folks, I hope you're enjoying your afternoon here at the Bremerton Air Show 2025. We're calling it Mustang Mania.
Mustang Mania!
Air Show program, we're going to see 9 P-51 Mustangs in the sky.
Holy cow, guys!
It's going to be incredible. Want to make sure you're taking good care of yourself. Have you gotten a drink or refreshment lately? Have you put on that sunscreen? Don't let this cool breeze fool you, as I said. Well, it looks like our Scott Urban is doing a go around. It looked like he was going to land here at the Bremerton National Airport. Just consulting with our air boss, Mr. Jim Gibson, and it sounds like Scott is actually taking his airplane.
I missed it!
Our mission fighting the forest fire that is in the region here. That long line you're going to see is going to be detached from the aircraft. At the end of it was a great big water bucket. The bomber was team needed. Formation.
Woo!
B-17 powered by 4 right cyclone
the B-17.
turbos.
Man, I didn't hear it.
What a great job by Doug Griffin and Brennan Lash demonstrating for us today the B-17 Flying Fortress from the Erickson Aircraft Collection.
That's gonna come along this way, guys.
Early P-40s equipped with 250 and 430 caliber machine guns.
Slow down, buddy.
With the 50s mounted above the engine.
There we go. Dang!
B-1710, the F and L models were powered by the, and it was available when needed.
Yes, sir!
This particular aircraft underwent a 20-year restoration. Originally stored in the early 1980s. It was badly damaged as a result of a...
Holy cow, dude, that smell is peak. That smell is peak.
Restoration began in June of 2000, flew again on March 24th, 2002.
And there goes...
Aircraft was another that was restored in...
Alright, you guys, so the plan is, basically, we're going to stay till 3 o'clock. The air show goes on till 4, but we're going to stay till 3 because we're getting kind of hot. And we're getting ready to leave. So we're going to leave at 3 instead of 4. And right now it's like 2:30,
As
so
I said, the Allison
we're going to watch a couple more plays, and then we'll leave you guys. So, yeah.
P-40 at 12 turn. able to
Blackbird.
turn tight. And there's Ross wing waggling as he goes down the shoreline. That's his way of saying hello to all of us here on the ground at the Bremerton National Airport. To the left.
Woo, the flow. Oh, I got it. And here's the down.
Beautiful touchdown. And as he goes by, give him a wave and thank him for doing a great job in the P40, Mr. Ross Granley. And I think
Everybody, if you're watching this video, say hi. Wave
Wave
to it.
into the satellite.
Wait, what the heck?
For World War II, it was used by the French in French Indochina, later known as Vietnam, back in 1950.
Music. I think this is the plane that there's going to be a wing walker with. Yeah, I think this is going to be a wing walker. I really would like to see that.
Here in the greater Bremerton area, there you see that big long line and empty bar to get this airplane airborne and up to altitude. Look at this.
Now I think this is the wing
Very,
walker.
very high surface. A propeller and over the steering goes in what we call the hammerhead turnaround. Great maneuver to trade altitude for airspeed. Get the airplane turned around and keep the performance in front of us. Rolling through a series of point rolls and 4-point hesitation roll by Lee Ullman.
I can't see it.
They do a
Oh, there it
couple of bypasses. Longman Crazy taxiing by with the great Vicky Bensing at the controls. Leo and the country performing in air shows. There's a little gets us a little bit nervous down here on the air show stand. Like I said, this airplane that it's starving of fuel. It's telling Lee, get me upside up.
But now we're gonna leave. Now we're gonna leave. So I'll see you guys once we get over to the bus, because this is gonna be quite a bit long. Alright guys, we're gonna make our way over to the bus, so I'll see you guys over there. And 9:09 p.m. What the floop is this? The heck is this? Holy cow, dude. I think I need to sit on this side. Guys, we're going to the bus. It's time to go. Off we go. Planes are back here. Back there. I don't know if you can see them too well, but they're back there. And we're on a taxiway. Yep, we are. There you go. Alright guys, we made it off the bus. Now we're gonna head back to the car and we're gonna stop somewhere to get a little treat and then we'll make our way home. So yeah, I'll see you guys. Where's
Bro,
the door
your
open?
trunk.
There we are. The van.
Turn it on for a minute.
Alright guys, we're gonna hop in the van and we're gonna drive to we're gonna drive to a place where we can get a snack.
Behind him in a minute.
One Mustang just took off, so you can't see it. There's the second one. Second out of 9. 3 out of 9. 4 out of 9. 5 out of 9. So many, dude. Woo! Boiled. 9 out of 9. Woo! 9 out of 9. Alright guys, we're gonna get out of here and we're gonna stop at somewhere to get a snack, but I'm not gonna record there. So I will see you guys once we get back home.
Peel off maneuver.
Get off. Alright guys, we made it back home. Alright you guys, well we made it back home from the Bremerton Air Show. I really enjoyed that. Let me know in the comments what your favorite plane was from today, you guys. Anyways, I'm gonna relax for the rest of my day and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.